Hello. Today is the 14th of March and it's day 12 of my trip. This morning I am waking up in Poitiers, but it's my last day in this city. Good morning, chicken. So I need to pack my bags and leave the accommodation. I want to walk a little bit more in the city center. Le Palais des Ducs d'Aquitaine. So that's the City Hall, and I'm on the City Hall Square. Ton of pigeons out there. L'amphitheatre, so the amphitheatre, building the 1st century AD. More bits of it there, I think. And then discover the Park of Blossac. Here we have the Park of Blossac, but it seems like there's a lot of music, noise, people screaming, so there might be an event, but I don't know what it is. Le Parc de Blossac, completed in 1770 on the initiative of the Count Blossac. No, I think they are just running. It's a running race, something like this. Okay, I think it's a high school or like middle school race, and that's the end of it now apparently. I'm going to aim for other parts of the park and I will try to visit the rest of it when they are gone. Jardin Anglais, English Garden. Do we have animals there? We have chicken. Right there are things inside. Goldfish. Big goldfish. Not enough space though. Look, I think that yesterday I walked there, so like I can sort of see the path, right like there, and I don't know, somewhere there, and there in the middle. Few things about insects, all that, bees. That's the Saint-Hilaire Church, which I've already seen on the first day in Poitiers. Then I'm heading out to the train station, as I am going to Angers. Les escaliers du diable. I'm arriving at the train station. So that is Poitiers train station. I have two buses from the same company to take. One going from Poitiers to Tours and the second one from Tours to Angers. There was no direct train or bus from Poitiers to Angers. But bus number 1 is really late, so I am missing bus number 2 in Tours. I managed to book a train that leaves Tours at 9 p.m. or 9:10. I am currently writing and recording this in that train. It's really moving a lot and it's noisy. And I should arrive at 10:20 p.m. in Angers. Then there should be a 20-minute walk to the accommodation. I'm really tired and I don't like being out that late, so I can't wait to be in the accommodation. That is moving. Alright, so we'll be in Angers very soon, and that's where I'm going to spend the next few days. That is moving way too much. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon in the next video. Goodbye, thank you for watching.